folks. I'm about to fly my own drone for the first time. I am so freaking excited right now. I've done a hover test in the backyard, and that is it. This is exciting. I don't know where to put my phone to work. Okay. Armed. Now the stability mode. Alright. We are in air mode right now. We are officially flying my quad in air mode. Oh my god. Looking good. Looking good. Boy, this has a wicked field of view on it. This thing feels super locked in. I have no idea what the VTX is set at. I didn't even think to try to figure that out. It does 25, 200, and 600, so it's definitely not at 25. I'm getting way too good a video for 25, but I don't know if it defaults to 2 or 6. I've got idle up, set up on it, and it's running at 5%, and then I've got air mode going. I hard soldered basically anything that I knew how to. This is the Tyro109 kit, and it has a, from what I understand, pretty well-known issue where the camera plug, this thing flies so smooth. Oh my god, I just want to point that out. Whoa, air mode is awesome. That was butter smooth. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is amazing. Holy crap, guys. Let's do it fast. Wow. Air mode's amazing. Air mode's amazing. Air mode's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know what that beep was. Hang on, I gotta hover a minute and look. I'm still up there. Still plenty up. Oh, go over this way a little bit. Trying to look down at my transmitter and see what that was. Oh, I'm not sure. Getting up there a ways. Wow. Air mode is like a freaking blessing. I love it. Uh-oh. I just punched through trees. Oh, there goes a GoPro. There goes my GoPro. I saw it. I saw it fall somewhere right there. Oh my god. I definitely saw my GoPro fly off, and I hear a loose prop. I punched through trees. Sounds like a broke prop. Definitely sounds like a broke prop. That's cool. It's cool. Oh, that prop looks so loose. That prop looks so loose. Okay. Go for our first landing. Disarming. Oops, I flipped the switch the wrong way. Trying to remember how to land. Good lord, it looks rough in this camera. Alright, we landed. I'm so glad that I saw the... Holy smokes. It's amazing that didn't go worse than it did. Describe, Zach, describe. So when I hit the limb, really, that was so stupid on my part. I don't know why that early in flying it. I was like, oh yeah, totally. It's time to, it's for sure time to speak words. Words, Zach, words. It's for sure time to punch up over a tree and do a roll real fast before I even remotely have an idea as to how this thing handles. And I paid for it. I plowed it right into a tree and only broke one prop, which is impressive. But the downside is that these props, it came with four blades instead of 3s. and the spares that I have are tris, so I'm gonna have to grab and switch over to the tris. I actually like those 4-blade props though. They're kind of awesome. I mean, I guess I'm comparing them to when I flew Aaron's quad. Let's see where this battery's at. I got a charger ready to go out here. Alright, so I had a little bit of juice left. Alright, let's go try to find this GoPro. Hopefully I didn't just lose that. That was a session. I saw it in the, I wish I was DVRing that one. I put a card in and forgot to DVR it, but so when I hit the tree, on the other side of hitting the tree, I just, it was kind of funny. I mean, it'll be funny if I find the GoPro. I just see the GoPro launch forward in my goggles. I could just see the GoPro just hurling forward into that field. Man, dude, I have no idea where that landed. Like, it looked close in the footage. Man, there's no telling where it actually landed. I'm gonna try something. I still have the GoPro app on my phone. So it's saying it's not found on my phone here, but it never wanted to connect to it before anyway, so I'm not really seeing that as a sign that it like somehow broke it. I'm more seeing that as a sign that I'm never going to find it. Oh, shoot. Man, there's no way I'm finding this thing. I've looked for quite a while. I'm gonna run to my house real quick. I've got a metal detector at home. It's just a little kid's one. Unless I have a metal detector or something, I'm not gonna find it because I can't really see much of anything in it. It's just kind of sludge. So, fingers crossed. All right, here's what a smart person I am. Went and got my daughter's metal detector. Didn't put mud boots on. Got like multiple pairs of boots that would be great for this. because that's where it's at. Nope, left my sneakers on. I'm basically the smartest person in the world. I found it! It was super, super, super buried in the dirt, but metal detector, GoPro, and it just says SD card full. The GoPro's totally fine. It's actually still got some juice left in it. Teamwork. All right, back at home. I didn't really think to record anything on the way home. I was just absolutely blown away that we found this, but yeah, this thing was buried in the mud, but check it out. Hit the little button at the top. SD's full. Battery's getting low, but all right. So as you saw, or maybe I'm seeing right now, I'm not sure how I'll format this video and everything, but I did go ahead afterward to show my dad the drone and get a full flight in. I never did fully describe what happened earlier. When the drone got back to me, this battery was hanging like this, and I'd made a little plate for right here, and that plate to kind of protect the battery from these screws had fallen out, and the battery was just dangling like this off the bottom with a broken prop up here, and this thing, the flight controller still just went, nah, we're bringing it back. It made it back like that. So, like, all things aside, yeah, one broken prop, whatever, gotta clean my GoPro off. That could have all been so much worse. This could have dropped in that water. Just all kinds of things could have went wrong. That was entirely my fault. If I have to blame something, it's the camera having a much wider FOV, so making things look further away than they actually are compared to the one that I am used to. And I don't know why, but I just kind of forgot about that for a second. But yeah, that was awesome. Thumbs up. Thank you for watching.